I'm here today at the OACC Field Day. It's in conjunction with the Maritime Organic Grains Network, and it's field trials looking at different varieties and different treatments of what we're looking at for getting a response to the crops, and also as a demo to show farmers what crops are out there and how they respond under different conditions. The Grains Network is a network that has been set up over a little bit over a year ago, and it's basically a network of organic grain farmers in the Maritimes. And we're looking at getting everybody together in a central voice to increase the production of organic grains in the Maritimes for livestock and human consumption. We've done a survey to kind of map out what the present growing conditions of the grains are right now, and then we're going to continue that over the next 3 years so we can see the increase in organic grains. And we're kind of working not as a brokerage, but connecting industry with some of the farmers and trying to make some of those linkages for some of the relationships that we can grow more organic grains.
My name is Andy Hammermeister. I work with the Organic Agriculture Centre of Canada at the Nova Scotia Agricultural College in Truro. And we're a national organization, and we do research and education work across Canada. Here today we have a field day in New Brunswick, and we have a field crop trial where we have a number of experimental plots that we've set up to test a number of different cereals and their response to different fertility treatments. And we find that it's really important to come out onto organic farms to do this work. The farmers relate best to seeing the plots, the research plots, right in a farmer's field that they know has been managed in a way that's been organically managed, I guess, and managed it in a way that they normally would manage. And it also allows us to get in better touch with the farmers in the community. Not all of them have access to experimental stations for doing to come out and see the plots. So here when we get out into the field and we see a set of research plots, we're seeing them under the true field conditions. And so if there are deficiencies or well-managed field conditions, then we'll be able to pick them up in our research plots. And in this case, we're testing a number of different cultivars of barley and wheat and oats, and it'll be really good to see how they're responding under different environments. We also have these research plots set up in Nova Scotia as well as in PEI. So we have 3 sites, and our PEI site is also a field site on an organic farm, and the Truro site is at the Nova Scotia Agricultural College. And so as a result, we have a good set of replication. We have multiple sites under different field conditions and different weather conditions. And then we'll see how these different cultivars are responding differently to the fertility treatments. So that's a quick wrap on what we're looking at here, and looking forward to having a great field day.